everybody. In our inaugural session of Alchemy's Global Soft Skills, that was on 23rd of this month. It was an inaugural session, an introduction to soft skills. We have come to know what is soft and what is skills through that particular class. Okay. So today in this class we are now entering into the realm of soft skills, or into the kingdom of soft skills, or into the subject of soft skills. We are entering now. We are at the entry level now. That was introduction earlier. So in this we will be trying to change the attitude, our attitudes, and unless we change our attitude, we are afraid we might not be successful, or we might not make others also successful. Or as a job seeker, we might not be good worker. Or as an entrepreneur, we might be unsuccessful also. So the question is, we have to change our attitude, because all this is all about business, and business, our attitude should be something different. And for that, let us say that let us change our DNA, the system, the inherited qualities. We have to little mold, blend the demand of this society into our system. And for that matter, we have to recognize ourselves, what we are. Okay. Before we recognize and follow the contents of soft skill, we have to make ourselves aware and know consciously what we are. Let us know consciously what we are. Conscious, the consciousness. So let us know consciously what we are. That we have to know, because we are all aspirant for some success, some business success, or research, or whatever it is. Finally, it is for success we are aspirant. So, in this particular going ahead with soft skills, it is already told to you that it is useful. This attitude mentioned in the soft skills is useful for a doctor, teacher, lawyer, leader, politician, student, an administrator, an executive. They also should ask through their consciousness what they are. I think they are all successful people. They must have known about this. But as a student, as an aspirant, let us also know what we are. This class is only to disclose ourselves, that is self-disclosure. Let us say self-disclosure. This is part 2 of Alchemy's Global Soft Skills Part 2. We are now trying to know what is that self-disclosure. Okay. To know what I am. He and she must disclose his are strength and weaknesses. We have strength and we have weaknesses also. We have to disclose. That is something to do with self-disclosure. Okay, be very honest. Let us be honest also while we are asking our consciousness to disclose ourselves. We maintain that honesty. Okay, let us maintain it. Document our likes and dislikes in the self-disclosure, and attributes also. Here attributes mean the reason and cause that either allow you or disallow you. The reason and cause, either it allows you or disallows you to do a particular job. Example, we find people saying, if I were, or my father was a rich man, I would have done a lot of things. All these are attributes. So soft skills tells us nothing like attributes, no excuses. We can do it. For that matter, Reliance, the humble beginning, McDonald's, today we all know, a delicious cuisine. He started his career he was in the defense, military services, USA, then he grew big. So perseverance is there, continuously holding to what his vision is. Okay. Successful people never ever cite excuses or tell an excuse. That is first step for success. No excuse. Honestly document yourself under self-disclosure. You will then be mighty and strong enough to delete the weakness. You become so strong that you can delete the weakness or erase it or discard the weakness in your life once you document or disclose yourself through your consciousness. Okay. Let us know few of them. Importantly, overcome such mishappenings from our lives. There are so many successful persons, characters, leaders who had lot of hurdles, but finally they became successful, and we all today know them also. Okay. So let us also, in the self-disclosure, I am reading it out, let us know one by one. Few are there, let me read out and explain you. One is, what is your strength and weakness? Here, what is your strength and weakness means not getting some strength and muscles and all showing. This is not strength. Strength means your skill in something. It is your strength. You can do it. You are confident of doing a particular job. That is your strength. Somebody is good in cooking. Somebody is good in keeping the house clean. That is his strength. So let him know that is his strength. And weakness also, let him know what is his weakness. He is very good doing everything, but he is lethargic. So if he discards that from his life, then there would be a lot of improvement. Okay. What is your ability to think about the future? What is your ability to think about the future with imagination and of course wisdom. Whenever I think about the future, some type of wisdom is there. A farmer is there, he has his own wisdom. I will have to do this, I will have to do that, I will have to sow seeds during this season, that season. That's all part of the wisdom only. The third one is how you could become better or the best in a particular job. You are doing something, no doubt, but you want to become best. How you can become best? You ask yourself, okay? Say for example, you are very good in perseverance. You are very good in perseverance, that is continuing in a course of action in spite of difficulty or lack of success. Even you are not able to reach the target, the success, that is lack of success, still you have that perseverance, trying. A small example, spider for that matter. Even in the windy atmosphere, it tries to knit its web. It tries to knit it. It gets disturbed, again it tries. Again it gets disturbed or it gets damaged by the wind. It tries again. It doesn't leave it up. And finally, it knits or weaves its web. And he feels happy then. So that is perseverance, okay? So we should have perseverance, and suppose by asking yourself in the self-disclosure, you think that you have got lot of perseverance, you should also feel proud that that perseverance is enough for you to achieve your goals. So try to find out that perseverance and use that perseverance for reaching your goal. Okay? In the case of unsuccessful eventuality, you might be saddened, feel sad also. But if the perseverance is standing by your side, it is behind you, you gain something out of it. You become successful finally, okay? And the fourth one, when you identify yourself, you disclose yourself. We all look at the mirror morning, once or twice in a day we look into the mirror to see how we look. I don't mean that we are all handsome or all beautiful. It is a gift of God. So we need not feel proud about that, because it is not our achievement. It is the God that has made you. So you keep looking to how you are made, how you look when you go out, so that in this society you look pleasing or you look good, you good attire, dress and all. This is all you look at it, okay, in the mirror. Why I am telling you this? Now we are going into the subject now, okay? This is, we all look into a mirror once, twice to like something about yourself. You know when you look into the mirror, you know somewhere something is very good. Your eyes are good, or your hair is good, or your color is good, you're fair. So something which you like, okay? So that you please document what you like about yourself in the self-disclosure. What you like, that also you document. And the next point is, you are skilled You can do it. You are skilled and you can do it. What is that you are not doing it now? You can do it, but what is that you are not doing it now? Why? Why you are not doing it? That you find out. You are skilled, you are capable, you are active, but why you are not doing that job now? Okay. Again ask yourself, had you done it, which you did not do? You are capable, everything is there, every opportunities are there, you did not do it. But had you done that job, you could have had a positive outcome. Had you done it, you could have had a positive outcome, or say you would have been successful. But you had not done it. So you find out that also. Next, what was the hindrance? Identify whether you are lethargic. Have you gone into slumber and have become inactive or inattentive? Were you diverted from your main vision goal? Were you diverted? And you get the answer, yes, because of these things I was diverted, I could not concentrate. And you discard those things and you achieve the goal. You get the best out of that because you are already a person with perseverance. You have identified yourself. So once you have identified, see what are the drawbacks. I think these are all philosophical and these are all taught generally. But it's just a small repetition because we are going now into the soft skills. Once we know this, lot of our questions, FAQs and all that will be curtailed. That is the reason why I am telling you this. Maybe you all might feel monotonous listening to this. You must have listened to it already. But still, before we go ahead, I thought of telling you all about self-disclosure. Okay. Do you ever feel happy? Do you ever feel happy? Okay, some are there who never feels happy. You give him the best news, he will say, oh, Are very nice news you brought, he would not say, because he's a person like that. So I am asking a question or something is there here. A point is there in self-disclosure that do you ever feel happy? If so, when was that ecstasy? That happiness, ecstasy, the highest happiness you feel, which you never felt before. That is ecstasy. Do you ever feel happy? If so, when was that ecstasy? When happiness or joyful that particular happiness, overwhelming joy, that is ecstasy. Overwhelming joy, feeling of great happiness or joyful excitement. Was such eventuality prevailed in your life? You find out. What was that? Why was that? So you get connected to the system, to the situation, and you try to mold yourself, cast yourself into that. Okay. What makes you express great amusement? Laugh. Laugh is expression of your amusement. It's a sound. Laugh is a sound which expresses your amusement. So when do you laugh? What makes you laugh? Okay. Everybody has his happiest moments in his life. So just document, just jot it down, just recall what was that, or we can say reminiscent. What was that reminiscent which made you most happy? You recall it, and then when you are now going ahead in soft skills, that will be helpful to you. I will connect it to you when we are going into the syllabus of soft skills. I will connect, okay? Everyone has a desire to become like someone. Everyone has a desire to become like someone. I mean, like friendly they say, had I been the chief minister, I would have, mitigated or alleviated poverty and this, that, lot of things, had I been, okay. So again, that's a small example to make you closer to what this particular clause tells you in self-disclosure, okay. Everyone has a desire to become like someone. Whom would you choose to become? Whom would you choose? Somebody says, हम चीफ मिनिस्टर बन जाते हैं तो हम ये करते, तो हम वो करते, गरीबी हटा देते, सबको नौकरियां दिला देते, अपनी अपनी सोच है। तो उस सोच में आप किसको, किस व्यक्तिगत कैरेक्टर को स्वीकार करते हैं, ये है इस सॉफ्ट स्किल्स का ये एक मसला है, ओके। और आई डोंट नो क्या बोलते हैं सॉफ्ट स्किल्स का, ये एक टॉपिक है सेल्फ डिस्क्लोजर में। सो एवरीवन हैज अ डिजायर टू बिकम लाइक समवन, whom would you choose to become? Example, some say, I have been the, had I been the chief minister, I could have done this, that, etc. Whom would you choose? You ask yourself. अगर तुम्हें चांस मिलता है तो क्या करते हैं? Suppose I am working in a financial organization. I think I always think that hope I could have been one of the directors, or I could have been one of the chairman and managing director. I would have done this, I would have done that. That is what. So try to see which is that character in you that is persisting, that is always there, lumbering, floating in your brain. Okay. What are you proud of achieved? By now, all of you listening to me, you must have achieved something. God bless, you all should achieve. I pray God that you should achieve. So what are you proud of? Achieved something. That also you document, that also you call back, recall all that in your memory. What have you achieved? Okay. Okay, any mishappening, next point, any mishappenings or any sort of embarrassment events that had happened or you have had experienced. So what was it that had happened? Such embarrassing events or any such situation or mishappenings, if at all such have happened, what was that exactly? What was that? Don't forget it. That is why some people are there who write their diary, what happened today and all. Then after a few months or after a year or so, they again read them. They come to know something, what best I can do through that experience. Okay, we forget sometimes. So here also, any mishappenings, embarrassing events that had happened or you have had experienced. So what was it? So what was it that particular eventuality? What was it? That eventuality, that occasion. What was that occasion, at the end of the particular process that you have been attending to, you suddenly find a fault. So in that eventuality or occasion or in the process of your doing something, at the last you find some fault, and that fault is embarrassing. That fault is mishappening. So what is that? Why that fault came? Why that embarrassment occurred? Why that embarrassment surrounded you at last when you had strived for success? That also you find out, okay? When were you most sad? When were you most sad? Or when were you the saddest? I can say that. Or when were you the saddest? Sad, sadder, saddest. Okay, it's an adjective, you have degrees of comparison. When were you saddest? Okay. By answering these, you are analyzing yourself. It will help you to identify your strength and weakness. You answer all this, you identify your strength and weakness, and this will certainly help you not only for any business, as I already told you, for a teacher, for a nurse who serves us, who nurses us in the hospital, even she uses soft skills. And a pediatrician or a psychiatrist, they all use soft skills. So you first find out where you are good, what is the best you can do, and what is your weakness, and try to erase that weakness totally out from your life. You will be the most successful person. You must have seen many successful people in this world who had a humble beginning and now they are one of the greatest. So in the next class, part 3, we will be talking about, I don't say I teach you because many matters are already known to you, but let us discuss about emotions, why it is must, and what is the intelligence you apply to the emotions to become a leader, to get the work done, to be a prominent person in the society. All this emotional intelligence takes care. The next class will be on emotional intelligence. Till then, bye to all of you, and thank you for sparing your time to know all about global soft skills of Alchemist. Please be guided also by the English so that this helps you in your soft skills. So we have parallel classes, that is Alchemist English language testing systems. From the basics we have started, though everybody knows, but still we started it from the basics, just for the sake of recalling it, recap, or whatever it is. So you please follow that also, and please read books, please read papers, please try to write something always. Best of luck all of you. All the best. Again we will meet in the next class, that is emotional intelligence. So we believe that you all with all good enthusiasm and emotions would attend that class. Okay, bye then. Bye all of you.